And it's your boy Jay Mills in the building.
And here are your EC Morning News. I'll start us off today.
Go ahead, Danica, do your thing.
A reminder to staff members to come for an Advent liturgy at 2:30 p.m. today. So it's all staff Advent liturgy at 2:30 p.m. today. Oh, EC Morning News Club. There's a meeting on Wednesday at 2:15 in room 321.
Danica has one more announcement than me, that's why she had to do two in a row, just so it looks good. But you know what it is. So all ambassadors, please see Miss Jones in the Canadian World Studies office or Miss Stubborn in Religion to sign up for the Christmas potluck.
All Jam Club members, there's a brief meeting in room 108 today after school to get your permission slips for the St. Marie Goretti field trip. So again, that's Jam Club members in room 108 today after school.
Miss Calamon's after school literacy class is meeting today in room 224 at 2:30. So all you guys involved with that, it's today 2:30 room 224 Miss Calamon's after school literacy class.
The Campion Christmas Coffee House is coming. It's Thursday at 5 p.m. Tickets are only $5. Come out for a night of music, drama and art, and not to mention some yummy Christmas treats. Tickets are available from all the arts teachers. Again, that's Thursday 5 p.m. and tickets are only $5.
All students interested in attending the Peace Team's Christmas movie night tomorrow after school, please sign up in your first period class. The movie is The Nativity that you guys will be watching, and the cost to attend is only 2 cans of food. All cans will go to the Campion Cans for Christmas food drive. Homeroom teachers, if you could please send an email to Mr. Marcola with the names of the students that are interested in attending, that would be very much appreciated. Also, the Campion Food Drive, Campion Can Food Drive ends this week, Wednesday the 15th. December, so you know what it is. Keep the drive alive, bring your 5. Let's just do this campaign. 10,000 cans is our goal, so you know what it is. That's all the announcement today. I'm your boy Jay Mills.
I'm Danica Cortez.
Deuces, y'all.